Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Devangan. Today we will discuss electrostatic potential in equatorial position. Firstly, we discuss what is equatorial position. Equatorial position is also called coaxial position. When a point lies in the perpendicular to the axial line, then this situation is called coaxial position or equatorial position. Firstly, we consider an electric dipole consisting of two charges minus q and plus q, which is situated at point A and point B. Let us consider point P is lying at r distance from the center of the dipole. Center is O. Then we join point P to this point and point P to the point A. Now this electric dipole is placed in a medium of dielectric constant K. Now we have seen potential at point P due to this charge minus Q. Then potential at point P due to charge minus Q. Then the potential is V1. Let us assume the potential is V1. Then V1 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon distance between these 2 points. Up Q upon R, then R is here AP. Here the sign of this charge is negative, then we consider minus. This is equation number first. Then we have to find out electrostatic potential at point P due to charge plus Q. तो अब हम देखते हैं पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट P ड्यू टू चार्ज प्लस Q. Then we get V2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon AP. Here distance is BP. ऊपर है AP और नीचे है BP. This is equation number second. We have to find out the potential at point P. Then resultant potential at point P is resultant potential at point P is, then we add these two potentials, then we get V is equal to V1 plus V2. Then we put the value from equation number 1 and equation number 2, then we get V is equal to V1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon AP and plus V2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon BP. Now here we see here AP is equal to BP. जो दोनों का डिस्टेंस है माइनस Q चार्ज से और प्लस Q चार्ज से पॉइंट P का जो डिस्टेंस है दैट इज सेम. देन वी हैव टू पुट AP इज इक्वल टू BP. नाउ AP is equal to BP. Then V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon AP प्लस 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, यहाँ पे हम बी पी के प्लेस पे ए पी पुट करेंगे, क्यू अपॉन ए पी। हियर these both quantities are same, then we cancel to each other, then these are cancel out, then we get potential is equal to 0. So then we can say that the potential, electrostatic potential in equatorial position or coaxial position is always 0.